Every cyber attack follows a chain, and if you understand the 3 links in that chain, you understand how most attacks actually work. The first link is a vulnerability. Think of it as an unlocked window in a building. It's a weakness in software, a system, or even a process that hasn't been fixed yet. On its own, it's just a gap. Nothing has happened yet. The second link is an exploit. This is the attacker finding that unlocked window and actually using it to get inside. An exploit is the method or tool that takes advantage of the vulnerability, turning a weakness into an entry point. The third link is the payload. This is what the attacker brings in through that window. It could be ransomware, a keylogger, spyware, whatever damage they intended to deliver once they're inside your system. Here's the most important takeaway. No vulnerability means no exploit. No exploit means no payload gets delivered. The entire chain breaks at step 1, which is exactly why keeping your software patched and updated is one of the most powerful things you can do for your own security. Break the chain early. Don't give attackers the window. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share your feedback and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.